In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Google Slides on a phone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the look of your presentation using the mobile app with clear, simple steps you can follow right away. Start by opening the Google Slides app on your phone. If you haven't used it before, download it from your app store and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not already logged in, the app will prompt you to sign in before you can continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the Google Slides home screen where all your presentations appear as thumbnails. Find the presentation you want to update and tap it to open. When the presentation loads, you might be in viewing mode. To make changes, tap the slide and choose Edit Slide if you see that option. This puts you into editing mode so you can adjust design elements. If the editing tools aren't visible right away, just tap on the slide area to bring them up. Now look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots menu. From the list that appears, select Change Theme. This is the quickest way on mobile to change the overall background style of your slides because themes control the background design, color palette, and default text styles for your entire deck. You'll see a gallery of available themes. Take a moment to browse through them. Each theme provides a different background look, from clean and minimal to bold and colorful. When you find one that matches the mood or branding you're going for, tap it. The app will instantly apply the theme to your presentation, updating the background and overall design. You can tap different themes to compare how they look. The changes appear right away, so it's easy to preview without extra steps. Keep in mind that changing the theme affects the entire presentation, not just a single slide, which helps maintain a consistent visual style from start to finish. Your changes save automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you change your mind, simply pick a different theme to update the background again. That's all there is to it. Your presentation now has a fresh background style based on the theme you selected, and you did it entirely from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.